In this video, I'm going to be taking my Kawasaki Z1 Super 6 out for a ride around the country lanes and go up to Combe Gibbet, which is the highest point in southern England. The weather was perfect for riding, and I thought I'd worked so hard on the decorating for the last couple of weeks, but I could have a half day off and go ride my Z1. While I'm riding down the A4, Sam comes past on his 6665. Let's go and have a look at it. And here she is. Made for his birthday in 2016, and it still goes like an absolute rocket. Well, we're just going to go up to Combe Hill now, which is the highest point in southern England, to give them a bit of a blast. I'm out on the Z1 Super 6. I should be at home doing the kitchen, but it's such a lovely day, we thought we'd come out for a ride on the bikes.
Are you Alan? Yeah.
I love a bit of off-road riding, and it was really cool to meet up with a KTM group, and up here you can see for miles in every direction. And this is the gibbet. It's 25 feet high and was erected in 1676 to hang 2 people, and it was only ever used that one time, but it's still standing today. We've been riding for a couple of hours, and it's so nice to be out in the countryside, so we thought we'd just park up for a few minutes and have a look around. Well, we just got back from Coombe Hill. It was amazing. We rode along the trail and met up with some KTM adventure riders. They were doing a magazine shoot. And the most funny thing I learned today is that my Kawasaki Z1 Super 6 is lighter than a KTM. So that must be a really good thing. So we did a bit of trail riding and it was actually remarkably good. So we're back in Hungerford. We're going to get some petrol and we're going to ride back home. Well, I'm back home now, so back to the decorating. While I was away, Charlie Weaver finished the bottle, but he always does that anyway. I was so hungry after the long ride. I looked in the tin and there was one cupcake left, so that was just perfect. I hope you enjoyed the video. I had a great time riding the Z1 and following Sam on the 6665. It's so loud and the smell was amazing. But now, I've got to get back to my kitchen repairs so Tracy can make some more cupcakes. Anyway, I'll see you all soon and don't forget to like and subscribe.